Kyle here from Applied OCD. Today we're going to try out the MS310 saw that I worked on 6 months ago or so. Put a new muffler, put a 28-inch bar, and a skip tooth chain. And we're going to try it out on this great big log here. I have to cut it into rounds because it's 8 foot long and probably 40 inches across red oak log, and my tractor can't pick it up. So I'm going to have to cut it in little pieces in order to get it home. So here we go. Well, what do you think? I'd say that worked pretty well. Ran out of gas though, so it'd be kind of interesting to count the rings on this tree and see how old it was. My mom says it was 100 years old, but I don't think it is. I think it's a lot less than that. So anyway, we'll give it a try, take a look at it.